Are you going out?
Yes, I'm off to church for the church program.
Okay.
Yes. Please, help me tell my wife Ukani that I have left.
Tell Ukani that you've gone to where?
You are here. I'm actually on my way to church. I'm church.
Hey.
This one you are clapping your hands. Are you clapping for the Lord or the Holy Ghost? Which one is that one?
I am clapping my hands because you have successfully turned yourself to a church rat. Now tell me, what have you even achieved ever since you started going to this church?
Stop it. Stop it. Do not offend the Lord. Do not tempt the Lord. What you are saying right now is evil. I won't accept that.
Look at you. Who is tempting the Lord? Who is tempting the... Please give me money for my hair.
Hey, Gay. But I told you I do not have the money at the moment. Eh? I like your hair like this. This one is called all back.
Oh, but hey, come back here. Where are you going to? Take a look at me. Take a look at the woman you call your wife.
I'm looking at you. And from the point of view that I am, everything is on point. I mean, that's why I married you. But I will not look at it now because I will be late for this church program. When I come back, I will look at it. Do not tempt me.
Oh God, give me money for my hair. Give me money for my hair.
Okay, leave my son alone.
Mama, please do not say anything. Tell your son to give me my money. Did you even marry me to this house to useless me?
How?
Eh?
What are you saying? Listen. Leave my trouser.
Leave
my trouser.
You must give me that money.
You don't joke with God's anointing.
Hold on. You want? Is it money you want or you want? Is it money here? Mama, don't worry yourself. She don't want money. Look at what she wants. You see what you want? I will not commit. You must give me my money. I say you will naked myself. I must give me my money. You want to? You must leave, please. You must give me my money. You must give me my money. Please. Leave my door before I send down fire from God now. Give me my money for my head. I send down the wrath of God to fire you now. Give me my money. God will destroy you. Give me my money. Destroy your left
you must give me my money.
Your left leg.
You must give me my money.
What? Anointing will follow you.
You must give me my money.
Anointing will follow you.
You must give me my money.
Oh my God. About come and see you. This your love name Maru. Without you wine, they make me wanna sing. This your love about come and see you. The way that you dance, they make me wanna sing. What is your love name Maru? Panitabe, my baby. This your love on the back of me, see you. My baby. This your love on the mellow maru. My baby. This your love on the back of me, see you. Baby, entertaining you is part of my job as your husband.
I know.
I will give you another style.
No.
This is the local one. Have you seen this style?
No, it's so. It's okay. Okay, I've seen it. It's okay.
I want to give you another style.
Don't give me it. I said it's okay.
Papa, you're welcome, sir. Don't greet me. Look at what you have turned yourself into. Moemenike. So you have refused to be useful to yourself. Papa, dancing for my wife or entertaining my wife does not make me a useless man. No, I'm just trying to make her happy. It's part of my work to make her happy. You don't know my love and Valentine. Valentine, happy mood. Look at what Valentine happy mood has put you. Huh? Emenike, be useful to yourself. Be useful to yourself. You are not getting young anymore. Papa, why do you hate seeing me in happy mood? Why? Happy mood. Is it a crime to see yourself? I want to check your be useful to yourself. Let me tell you the truth. I will continue saying it. If it weren't being disturbing you, I will disturb you until you change your lifestyle. Happy mood. Michael Jackson. Nonsense. This man is becoming a problem. This man is becoming a problem. I will use him for blood money. I will use him for money rituals. What's all this now? I will use him for blood money. He's disturbing me.
Biko, Akagwana, eh? He's your father and you know how he talks. He talks too much.
Support me, no. Encourage me, no. When you see me dancing for my wife, how? I will use this man for blood money. I will use this man for blood money.
Don't let him spoil our happy mood.
Papa, he can't spoil our happy mood. Let's take it off.
If you give me your love, baby, I know go
Harry, play a game. Play a game. My body is hot. Eh? Go watch me. That body that is hot will soon become happy. That's it. Happy. That's it. See, if you know the hot pap, and akara boss my wife gave me this morning, you will know that I am fit physically, mentally, spiritually, and actually,
Wait, are you here to tell us what your wife gave you as a breakfast?
Okay, man.
Yeah, let me take my turn. I'm not here. Don't worry. I will show him better. Mo abuchukwu ifenli we puta na ogbon. Okwe. Mo abuchukwu okwe. Ama. Follow okwe.
Ogbari eyishi.
I'll take your turn.
His wife.
From the IJ baby.
IJ, kedu?
Enwe ko na sim n'ụtụtụ a.
Na nwunye anyị egotego.
IJ baby, one in town yo. Buy your sweet pap.
Obiora, come on.
One in town, IJ baby.
Ndoka. Why are you laughing now? Why were you running?
Why was I running? Which one is why was I running?
I mean, where were you running?
What is the kid came from? Actually, I wanted to ease myself. Did
you not see his wife? Did you not see him?
Yeah, but which wife? Listen, if you are in my shoes, you will do the same. I don't know why you're opening this you begin to call it nonsense. If you are in my shoes, you will do the same. Because I brought your back at the wife, I did happy up to I don't know what draft now. I road with small boys like you.
Look at this thing completely.
No.
The blood of Jesus set me free from sin and sorrow. The blood. Brother, greetings. I have a message for you.
You have a message for me?
Yes, my name is Brother Hyginus.
Hyginus?
Yes. I have good news.
You have good news for me?
Yes, it's about the second coming of our Lord Jesus Christ. You know, when I saw you just as I was moving, I say there's something that is not right. Brother, I want you to change your ways. I don't want the coming of Jesus Christ to come and take you by surprise. Because if the God blow trumpet, you say?
I'm asking, are you mad? You said you have good news for me. I'm waiting to listen. What is the good news? This
is why I talk. You know this should be good news. I don't understand what you're saying. I'm talking about the second coming.
That talk, you should tear your mouth into two. Which talk are you talking? You're telling me about Jesus Christ. You're telling me I don't know Jesus Christ? You just stop somebody on the way and you start opening your mouth to Jesus Christ and talking Jesus Christ and saying, okay, what is wrong with you?
Brother, we're not quarreling. Who make you?
No, we are quarreling. Next time, don't stop me on the way and start telling me about Jesus Christ. I'm going to get a Jesus. What is wrong? What is your problem? I told you, even me, do you know Jesus more than me?
Are we competing?
No, do you know Jesus Christ more than me?
Jesus, my brother, it's not Jesus Christ, it's Jesus Christ.
Whatever, do you know him more than me?
No, I think
because I know I serve mass. Yes, me, I serve mass. I serve mass, even where I serve mass. I serve mass with bishop. So you cannot be telling me about Jesus Christ. For what?
Now I understand where the mix-up is coming from. The one I'm telling you about that is coming, second coming is Jesus Christ. I think the one you're talking about is Jesus Christ. Please. You understand me?
Next time when you see me, please just walk your way if you have nothing else to say. Don't just start and tell somebody you have good news and then you start blabbing all this nonsense.
But you're acting as if we are quarreling. We are not quarreling.
Yeah, who is quarreling? I said I know I don't need just more than you now.
You said you served in the mass. Is it mathematics, Sabina, real mass? Why you are hyper, brother? Calm down.
Please, next time if you see me, don't just stop me and start talking rubbish. What is this nonsense now?
No, I'm not surprised. Even this Jesus Christ experienced this thing. You understand? God told me, the way you move, your body language, the way you bend your leg, you are full with sin. My brother, come unto the Lord. Change your ways. My brother, you are even bending your waist. God will straighten it. My brother, this is your time. My brother. Blood of Jesus, the blood of Jesus set me free.
It's nowhere to be found. Look at me. Where did they go?
Nebo, mommy, I was looking for you everywhere.
Oh, so you're back?
Yes, I'm back. But you see, I am very, very hungry. You know, after today's program, enemies on fire, I love prayer, my spirit is so
You're hungry?
empty, yes.
And so? And I'm hungry too.
Hey, let's eat. Let's eat fast. Who can me? Who can me? Who can me? I don't know who I'm talking to. Hey. What's going on? Listen, I know that there is food. Because when I came in, I went straight to your cupboard and checked, and it's locked. Anytime you lock that cupboard, I know that you have some delicious meal in there. Yeah, please serve it. Let's eat.
Thank God you said it's my cupboard. And thank God you know that it's my cupboard. So I have the right to lock it anytime I want. When you were leaving this morning, how much did you give me?
I did not give you money physically, but in the spiritual realm, I filled you with money.
Okay, spiritual realm, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Who can you?
Hello.
Who can you please? I'm not arguing, I'm begging.
Why, Oma? Let me go and finish this job that I started yesterday, so the man can pay me.
That's very good.
Alright. Let me
go and come back quickly.
Yeah.
Hey. Peter, are you not forgetting something? The money you promised to give me.
Ah! Angela, this is my wife, eh? You can forget anything but no money.
You know that. Peter.
Yes. You know, I kept the money already. It's just that I forgot to give you, huh? So you just have to...
Yeah, Peter. This is 5,000 naira.
Use what I can afford now. Just manage it.
Manage what? No, manage what? Hey. How can I manage 5,000 naira? No. How can 5,000 naira buy me clothes? You want to embarrass me up here? No, Peter, don't agree me. Don't make me angry.
Angela, just take this one now. Manage it for now. You know things are not okay. Maybe I'll give you something more after.
How do you expect me to manage 5,000 naira?
But you can say I'm going to work to make more money. Just let me go first and come back.
Do you know what? Go. I'll keep this one. When you return, just know you are owing me extra 5,000 and you have to complete it. Please don't make me angry.
Angela, sometimes in your life, be appreciative. Sometimes in your life, appreciate the little one I've done so that I will have.
You should be ashamed of yourself. It's me you want to embarrass of them. It should not work for you. You are giving me 5,000, a whole meal, to go and do what? Can you even buy my pants?
I don't even have your...
No, can you even buy my makeup? You should be ashamed of yourself. that you are giving me 5,000 naira to buy clothes. Where and how? Big Ogabagi.
See, bring down your voice.
Bring down what?
Bring down your voice. You are embarrassing me with the neighborhood.
The same way you want to embarrass me before people. Yes, you want me to carry 5,000 naira and go and do what? And embarrass myself.
Can you not manage? Can you not manage?
Manage what? Hey, you should be ashamed of yourself. You should be happy that I married you. Can't you see how my skin is popping? It's a skin. Can't you see?
With whose
you want
money?
to kill my skin?
Your skin
you
is
popping. You should be happy that I married
money?
you.
Eh? With whose money?
You should be happy that I married you. Yes.
Okwago?
In your father's house, do you have somebody like me? Do you?
Eh.
No, do you?
Eh.
Do you? They go.
Let me tell you.
Jabed.
Who
is Neche? Onyala dika Mbeke. Mbeke na elo akpa na eke.
I'm baby. I'm off the show.
Wait. Mirror of beauty. Your beauty increases every morning.
I know.
Child, have a beautiful day.
Okay, see you.
Have a wonderful day, okay?
Are you still going to the place you told me last night?
Yes. As a matter of fact, I spoke with the director of the company and he assured me the job is mine.
You spoke with the director?
Yes, I called him.
So what's the essence of you attending the interview?
Baby, you know all these big companies now. He said the interview is just for formality's sake.
Ah.
Yes, that the job is mine.
Oh, okay. Take this for your transportation.
Oh, you see why I can't stop loving you?
I know.
You see why I can die for your case? I can take your bullets.
Don't die yet, don't die yet.
Thank you very much.
Okay.
You're awesome. Thank you very, very much.
I know.
Come here. I appreciate it. Thank you very much.
Okay, let me just go. We'll see you later.
Just like that. You can't live just like that. And to be romantic for once, John.
Okay, I'm sorry. Come here.
Oh, let's go. I love you. Jay. I love you, baby. You're the best, darling. Chai. One more video. Ogazi Amaka made I need you.
I know the format, Jesus is the answer. Jesus is the answer. Listen, when I talk about Jesus like this, I am so happy in my spirit because I know the kind of God that I serve. So when I tell you to give your life to Christ, I know what I'm talking about. Because He is the way, He is the truth, He is the life. There is nothing you can become in this life without God. God is awesome. So I am here to tell you about the second coming of the Lord Jesus Christ. Ask yourself a question. Where will you be? If they blow the trumpet now, where will you be? Are you going to be in heaven or are you going to be in hell? My sister, it's better for you to be in heaven. I am a servant of God and I can boast with God because God is sweet. God is sweet too. You understand what I'm saying? I am talking about the third coming of Jesus Christ. When you focus on God, He is the way, He is the truth, He is the life. This third coming of Jesus Christ, the third coming of Jesus Christ will be so awesome. Why are people laughing? I'm telling you something very serious. You are laughing. I'm talking about the second coming and you are laughing.
Mr. Preacher, you just said the third coming of Jesus Christ.
The third coming? Did I say the third coming?
That's what you just said.
Second coming. I did not say the third. I said second. Did I say?
You don't say third coming right now.
Third and second, third. Almost.
How do you know? You're looking at it.
You are indeed a good preacher. We saw the way you were staring at good photos. Mind you, she's a married woman.
Stop that!
She's married, though.
Stop that! God forbid. Why will you say a thing like that? I was talking to you. Someone was passing. I was taking the word to her so that the word can hit her behind her back. Please do not make caricature of the word of God. Stop it. I was preaching to you. Somebody was walking. Wait, hold on. I've not finised. Somebody was moving. I just passed the word of God to her. To hit her. Give your life to Christ. Jesus is coming. Hey. just messed up. Oh. So they actually saw me observing that waste. Hi. This work is not easy. Oh. The temptation is too high. But I cover myself with the blood of Jesus Christ. No waste can move me. Nothing can move me. No backside can move me. No matter the size, I will...
Hey, Nne, this year is almost finished and I have not achieved anything. Hey.
Oh. My sister. Eh? You're not the only one, no. Things are so difficult these days. Could you believe that since morning, not even a single customer entered my shop? Not even, hey, madam, I want to wash my hair. For real. Be careful.
I don't know what is going on. And our husbands are not helping matters. Hey. Oh.
But my sister, you're lucky. You're lucky that your husband is a graduate. At least he will get a job someday. Yes.
He's preparing for an interview.
You see? You see? What of my own? Very useless.
For that one, I've not even seen it.
You're welcome.
My mother came to my house yesterday and she is very sick. The one that pains me most is that we don't have anything in the house. Nothing. We don't have yam. We don't have rice. Not even curry that she can soak and drink. That's why I came to see if you can help me with 5 cups of rice. With some condiments. Then you add it to my old debt.
I will not do it.
Why? We used to be, we are best of friends.
I said I will not do it. Friendship kill you there. You are very wicked. How much are you owing me now? Please get out. Get out!
Why are you shouting now?
I will shout, oh. I will shout, oh. I will shout. I will tell the world, I will tell these villagers that you are owing me. You are not ashamed of yourself. I will shout, I will tell the world.
Nkechi, it's me, oh. It's me, your friend. If you don't want to give me, don't tell me, let me go. Instead of shouting, even your friend is looking at us. Why are you?
Oh yeah, get out. I said get out.
Nkechi, don't insult me, oh, because of that little money. Don't try to insult me. Of course, I know I will always pay you now. Why are you insulting me? Why are you shouting? Because of what? How much is it? How much is it? How much am I even owing you? How much?
Hey, I talk no more. On top my money again. You got my money. Little money.
Before Uncle.
Hey!
That is exactly what it is. How much is it? They go on.
Hey! You are only here today. Pay me my money. Please, let me tell you. You won't leave here today until you pay me my money. I said, pay me. You won't leave here until you pay me my money. I said, pay me my money. You will take my clothes. I will tear it. You will take my clothes. I will tear it. You know how to owe this girl, eh? They have to pay me my money. This polo is more expensive than that money. Look at you. Oh, you know what? You don't have money. I said my money is little. I beg to pay me my money.
Format you to get the money. I dey use the format you. I dey use the format. As a guy man, I know the format you. I know the format you. When others they suffer, my own is just to bubble. Cause I know the format you. I know the format you. I dey use the format you. I dey use the format.
Get off from there. Clever! Oh, Ijoma. Why are you disturbing me? Okay,
Me? Disturbing you? Sorry, oh. I don't blame you at all, Ndoka. Irichagon, I have fed you. In fact, I have overfed you. Irichala. Dolzie Kozu.
Opolola and Zika. Just please sleep to sleep. You not allow me sleep. You know you're the reason I don't sleep at night.
Sorry, oh. You will sleep. Huh? You will sleep. But that's after you have finished washing these clothes.
Oh, Joma, no. I want strength now for this type of thing. Tomorrow I'll wash them. Just keep them.
Take. Go and buy soap. I don't have time. I'm very busy inside.
If this thing, I want them tomorrow.
Which tomorrow? No, I'm busy inside. Collect this thing.
Oh.
Come, bring back my change, you. I priced that soap with Mama Mbuchi. It's 14 naira.
Ke no die biko. Eh? Como him jego mota na me ke yo. Kizi. Eh? Bia. Ete na sa panta day before yesterday. Eh? Ono da last zi. Eh? Oh, yeah, but go compare it. What is this now? Because yeah, I'm very sure Mustafa here yesterday or the day before yesterday. He checked up again.
Cause I know the format you to get the money. I dey use the format you. I dey use the format. I say, guy man, I know the format you. I know the format you. When others they suffer, my own is just to bubble. Cause I know the format you. I know the format you. I dey use the format you. I dey use the format.
My body. Don't mind me, daddy. So, Bessie, my body. You like it?
Yeah, you can dance very well.
My body.
Oh my God, you can dance very well.
Ewo. Wait, is this inherited or surgery?
Inherited, of course.
Inherited? Please, what's your name?
Amakonam.
Amakonam. What a beautiful name for a beautiful woman like you.
Thank you very much.
Chai. Did you enjoy my Bessie, my body?
You can dance very well. I like it.
Oh, thank you very much. I would like to see you again now.
Okay.
Eh? Chai. I would like to Bessie, my body you. Eh? Trust me. I would like to Bessie, my body. Consider my application. I'll see you around. Don't worry how I will see you again. I will track you. Baby. Trust me, I will track you. I must. Consider my application letter. I would like to Bessie, my body. Hey! Shit! Bessie! My body!
Nanyama Agwago, you are her savior this morning. I would have taught her the lesson of her life.
Nne, truth be told, it's too early to start making troubles.
I don't care. That lady is an ingrate. Does she have the right to shout that at me after all the money she's owing me?
But who is she? I don't think I know her.
Don't you know Harry?
Harry, the one that I used to drive bus?
Yes.
How can that beautiful lady be married to Harry? Harry that is jobless, that doesn't have anything doing.
That is what I say. That is why she goes about owing everybody.
But that is not fair now. Someone needs to talk to her.
Talk to her as in how? Please, everybody should mind her business. After all, we all have our own problems.
Nne. Do you want to fight me? I'm
not fighting you, I'm just saying my mind.
Okay, sorry. Let me go to my shop. My customers will be waiting.
The best hairstylist in town.
That again.
Thank you for coming.
You are going to start washing the clothes.
I'm about to start washing. Why are you complaining? When I bought it out now, it's not nothing now, just wash it. Why are you complaining?
Hey! Nduka, I am ashamed of you. I am ashamed of you. Eh? Why are you this lazy?
Ijoma, that's the one I don't like. You know I don't like insults. Why are you insulting me now? Eh? Did I marry you for me to be washing clothes for you? Eh? Even my pants, I'll be washing clothes, wash pants.
You have failed as a man. That is why you are washing my clothes.
My pants? My pants, okay? I'll wash even your pants? Your pants?
Lazy man.
I don't like it too.
Start washing the clothes.
I've already brought out water. I'm the one that washes it.
I'll
wash it now.
Bido. Get changing. Where's my 10 naira change? Balance him. Bring it out yourself now.
So this is what we'll be doing this house. Even my 10 naira, you can answer my change 10 naira. You can answer my change 10 naira.
Continue.
You can answer my change 10 naira. If I say I want to watch this thing now, I can have 10 naira now. Or Dikeh. You can answer my change 10 naira. I wonder I will just vex as the man of this house now. Huh?
He's still sleeping. Yeah, okay. Wake up. Wake up! Good morning.
Good.
Hmm?
Good morning.
You are not going to work again today.
Which work are you talking about again? Eh?
See, I'm not ready for your trouble this morning. My daughter is ready for school. Give me her school fees. Today is the deadline.
Oh. Hey. I don't have any money here. But tell her auntie I will pay next week.
I will not take that rubbish from you. I will not take it from you. Give me her school fees. She is late to school.
And I said I don't have the money. Eh? Do you want me to go and steal? I say when I get the money, I will pay.
How is that my business if you go there and steal or not? I need that school fees. She is your daughter and she's my daughter. My daughter must go to school. Eh? She is your responsibility. I need that money. Hurry. Hurry.
I've heard you. I will pay when I have the money. Please, just allow me to see.
You will pay when you have the money. By this time, you are still lying down. Hopeless. Lying down. Why other men are out there hustling for money? You are here lying down, telling me you don't have money. I don't blame you. Let I come and look for food to eat.
Before, won't you give me food?
You will give me that one, you. Let me go and come back.
Don't come back here and disturb my sleep again. You don't know I have to sleep, re-energize and have creative ideas. Don't come back here and disturb my sleep. Oh.
Chai, see money. See money. My wife makes a lot of money from her shop. Hey, she will ask me about the interview now. What will I tell her? Now we day here now. Corona.
Why am I here? Why am I here? How are you, my darling?
I'm fine. Where have you been?
I was sweeping the backyard. I don't want you to wake up and stress yourself.
Really?
Can I help you?
Yeah, pick this 100 naira. Okay. Baby.
Yeah?
How was yesterday's interview? You know, you were so tired last night, so we couldn't talk about it.
Yesterday's interview. Talking about yesterday's interview, The exercise was partially successful.
Partial?
See, I got to that point. I left. Papa.
Why did you drink the wine I kept in the living room?
What sort of insult is this? What sort of insult is this? Papa, I did not drink your wine.
Do not deny it, America. We don't have any stranger in this house. You were the one who drank it, and nobody else.
Papa, I don't like this. Must you insult me every now and then? I'm here, I'm at the verge of securing a good job with my BSc, and you are here talking about cheap red wine.
Secure.
Eh? I'm about securing a job with my BSc.
Secure. You must pay for this drink. Whether you like it or not, you must pay. Because I know how much it cost me to get the drink. Same secure. It's secure. You must pay for this drink, Emenike.
Papa.
We don't have any stranger in this house. I'm sure you are the one that drank it.
Papa.
Nonsense.
Uzadronevo forest. Uzadronevo forest.
Emenike.
Sweetheart.
Did you drink his wine?
Come on. Come on. I'm bigger than this. I am bigger than this. Why will I... In fact, honey, Papa will tell me why he insults me every now and then in this house. Why now? I'm jobless, fine, but I'm not stupid. Why will I drink his wine and be denying it? How much is red wine? Papa, see, Papa will tell me why he enjoys insulting me in this house every now and then. All times I go this morning. All times I go this morning. All times I go.
When others they suffer, I only just to bubble. Cause I know the format, I know the format, I be graduate, no be busy, no be mouth,
Iruka, that young man can dance very well.
Are you serious?
Yes.
I've not seen him dance.
He's very handsome and I love men who can dance like that.
Did I hear you say?
Yes, I'm very serious.
Then you have to watch it. Because he's married, in case you have forgotten.
Of course I've not forgotten. Whether he's married or not, that I like him does not stop him from marrying his wife.
I don't support it. Don't say I didn't warn you.
Don't come out, Iruka. Don't worry, very soon I'm going to meet him so that he can teach me those dance steps.
Hey! Someone is about to put herself into trouble. And when it will happen, don't call me. Because I, Iruka, will not come out. I won't even answer you.
Don't come out. I will not call you, okay?
If I meet him or let him teach you what is that. Let me go and look for the dancing steps.
God!
I said she give me my money. Come on, give me my money.
God, what are you saying? I paid you after drinking in your place. I paid you! Give me
my money!
You are embarrassing me. You are
It's a green.
Call me. Give
me my money! Give me my money!
What are you doing?
What is it?
Emelike, look at God, though. Huh?
He's not that serious. He's a man. Leave him first. What is it? Why are you embarrassing a full-grown man like this?
Imagine this idiot. Eh? This good for nothing.
Forget the title. What's his crime?
He is owing me 500 naira. Yes. So if he is your friend, tell him to pay me. Because
Emelike, I paid her money. After drinking, I gave her 500 naira. But she's very forgetful, or maybe she's suffering from selective amnesia. Wait. What is 500 that I cannot afford? I have money now, you know me. I have money, I paid her, but she cannot remember. Eh?
You said it's 500 naira, B? Take.
You're very lucky. What kind of embarrassment? I paid her.
Listen, I did not dash you. I'm not Dangote. I borrowed you. Make sure you pay me before 2 days.
Emenike, so you believe... Shh. Emenike, you won't understand. See, I am not happy. I am... Shh.
Body no be firewood though. I cannot come and kill myself. When others they suffer, my own is just to bubble.
Let me quickly finish this delicious meal before Ebere comes back now. Because that woman,
Firewood, I cannot come and kill myself. When others they suffer, my own is just to bubble. Cause I know the format to get the money. I they use the format
Harry, don't tell me you did not actually go to work.
Meaning what? Didn't I tell you I was going nowhere?
Harry, this thing you are doing will not help us. Hey, you know I have nothing doing at the moment.
And what stops you from engaging yourself with something doing? Eh? Emenike's wife is the one fending for her family. Why can't you do the same?
Can you hear yourself? Are you not the man of the house? Hey?
And so what if I'm the man of the house? So I should come and kill myself because I'm the man of the house, okay?
I need 500 naira. I want to buy food for Mama. She has not eaten since morning. She not here, Jiketa, Biko.
Ebere, just listen to yourself. You have not even asked me, your husband, if I have eaten or not. All you care about is your mother. Hi, you're very selfish.
No, you are the one who is selfish. You don't like my mother. You don't.
Now listen, what is your mother doing here? Eh? Why did you bring her here in the first place when you know things are very hard for us?
Hey, Shimo. You are a wicked man.
Exactly.
I wonder how I managed to end up with you. I wonder.
Wicked. I am wicked. You're a wicked man.
I don't blame you.
You're a wicked man.
Come on, 500 naira. 500 naira. You can't even give me.
500 is common. Wait in.
Don't blame me.
Wicked man. Don't worry. Bolu Naban.
Body no be firewood. I cannot come and kill myself. When others they suffer, my own is just to bubble. Cause I know the format to get the money.
Hi, Junus. Listen. I'll have problem with you. If me and you, they know they'll do all those your back and labels, they're mad, but waiting. I resemble your church member. No, see, now this is my problem with you. No, they use that your rubbish format for here. This thing will not pay off. Stop deceiving yourself. Back and labels, you are who? Change format. Tell yourself the truth. This Bible you are carrying up and down will not fetch you money.
Emenike, do not speak ill of the word of God. This is the word of God. See, because the Bible.
If I slap you, if I was you go receive sense. Hygienist, if I slap you, I resemble your church members. You know, if I just carry God's name, put for on a format, people will be scared because they fear God. They don't want to wrong him. That thing does not work on people like me. Are you mad? What do you want to watch me? Call a spade a spade. This Bible you are carrying up and down will not save you. It will not fetch you money. I know why you choose this lane. You need money. So stop deceiving yourself. You don't have the call. Have you asked yourself why your wife does not respect you? Have you?
Emenike, you're not far from the truth. As a matter of fact, the Bible says, say the truth and the truth will set you free. It's not far from the truth.
My brother, leave Bible and face your life.
I don't know why.
Why will your wife respect you? NEPA bill, she will pay. Evening food, she will bring money. Breakfast, she will bring money for bread. Why would she respect you? You know the chest bill now, so she cannot respect you. You don't have value before her. Let me tell you what you don't know. If you keep telling your wife the truth, just because you want to be a good husband, you will keep having problems in your marriage. Package her now.
I don't understand what you're saying.
You don't understand. Look at me. For example, my wife respects me. Whatever I say, as in 2 seconds, she don't concur. Do you know why? I package them now. I want for you. I don't have money, but I'm in charge. I told her I'm a graduate, and I made her understand. See you. So I don't get money, I know me say I don't go below tomorrow. You know, position her now. You know, be mad.
Emenike, you graduate. Emenike, you are no. Which school? When you take graduate, which your match college? How you go tell her say you graduate?
My brother.
She believe that thing.
Happy faith then I'm moto by moto. I talk am now. She believe am. Now she take present and be the thing now.
She believe.
If you use confidence, say lie, you go enter. Now what for you? I told her I'm a graduate. She 2 seconds, and I also told her that once I get a job, I will make money and support her business. So she see me as a man, a young man with a bright future. You know, understand? I'm the format now. So if you say give me 20K, 2 seconds, she don't drop them. Are you a dummy? Package your wife.
So wait. But that, you see, that's the problem. That is sin. I cannot lie. I cannot come with that lie because the Bible says that a sinner prays an abomination unto God, and every sinner will go to hell. So there is no way I can lie.
Where your pulpit? No, where your pulpit? You don't forget saying me and you there. I don't want you. They don't carry the way 247. Now me and you there, they talk, they watch me.
Okay, fine. Eminike, what you are trying to say, I should go home and tell my wife that I'm a graduate.
No. What works for me will not work for you. We will not use the same format. Look for another line package, give your wife.
Emeka, I'm not in my head. I don't think of anything. I
beg.
If you just lie for me. Like, it's already too hard for me to lie.
Is this your head that empty? So you cannot just package one line now, just give your wife, make she humble. Now who pay her bride? Does she pay your bride price? I mean, you pay her bride price.
No, now me pay.
So why you not go just come up with one line, give her, make she humble?
Okay, I beg, just think of something for me. I beg.
Hygienist, I'm not in the mood of thinking.
Hi. Okay, you know, I have a problem lying. Not to talk of thinking. Okay, can you just lie for me? Just think of me. I beg.
When others they suffer, my own is just to bubble. Cause I know the format to get the money. I they use the format I they use the format. I say guy man, I know the format I know the format When others they suffer, my own is just to bubble. Cause I know the format I know the format. I they use the format.
Who is here? Nkechi? Nkechi?
Angela, Nkechi, how are you?
I'm fine. I came to say hello to you.
Angie, you're looking gorgeous.
Thank you so much. You like the dress? It's from my husband. My husband. All thanks to that lovely man that God used to bless me. Can you imagine he took me out for shopping this afternoon and got me a whole lot of gorgeous dresses. This is one of them actually.
Your husband?
Yes, my husband.
Wow. God don't do it for you and your husband.
My
God don't do it for you.
I'm so lucky. Unlike some of these village women that are married to a lot of deficits as husbands. I'm so lucky not to be among them. You know, my husband is so different. He takes very good care of me. Angela. Let me just mention it.
Angela.
I will consider...
Is that what you came to tell me?
No, you see, I was passing by, so I decided to just come say hello to you. Nothing much.
Fine. Thank you. You have said hello to me. Can you be on your way?
I don't understand. Okay. Are you driving me away or something?
Whatever. Angela, please leave. Have a nice day.
I cannot come and kill myself. When others they suffer, my own is just to bubble.
What just happened right now? Why is she mad at me? Oh, I see. Because she's one of those women that are married to deficit as husbands. But I didn't push you to him. It's not my fault. I'll keep enjoying my life. I didn't push you to him. My husband is the best.
I use the format I use the format. I say guy man, I know the format I know the format When others they suffer, my own is just to bubble. Cause I know the format I know the format.
Hey, imagine Angela. Angela. So Angela has the guts to come to my shop and embarrass me. Hey,
Angela, hey, simply because your good-for-nothing husband took you out for shopping, you came here to embarrass me. Okay, I'm so bad. Oh yeah.
When others they suffer, my own is just to bubble.
My dear, I am only showing concern because you're a woman like me. If you continue staying idle like this, hunger will kill you.
My sister, I'm not happy being idle. I have tried severally to start up a small-scale business, but I was always frustrated at the end due to lack of capital. Always frustrated at the end.
Okay, why don't you learn handwork? That would be better for you now. Yes! Or you do something like this, you open a salon. Anyone.
All of them. Yes, it's well, I've heard you. Thank you for your concern.
Don't mention. We are women and we should care for one another.
My dear, thank you very much. Thank you. It's mad.
You're welcome.
Can my sister?
Hey! Angie baby!
Okay, baby.
Angie baby! Hey!
Okay, how are you?
I'm fine, no. You look very beautiful this afternoon.
Really?
Yes.
I know, thank you. It's my husband, though. My Mr. P. You know, today, he took me out for serious shopping and got me a whole lot of expensive dresses. This is one of them I'm rocking. The least amongst them.
Hey, my sister. I am happy for you.
My sister. I am happy you are happy for me.
Yes.
Unlike some people who are so envious and jealous of me. Like as if I'm the one that told their husband not to take care of them. How is it my fault that their husband can't take care of them? No, how is it my fault that they can't even eat 3 square meals a day? Not even 2. They can't even boast of 2.
You're just lucky. Your husband is industrious.
So lucky he has to be. Because I teach him to. No? My sister, do you know the truth? It's time the men of this village emulated my husband and start treating their wives as they ought to. Not being deficits. I don't know why they enjoy being deficit husbands to their wives. You can't even take care of your wife. Your own wife that you married. Eh? Well, let me not bore you both. I have to run along now. My husband wants to take me to eat Nkwadi at Okoro Child's shop.
Hey!
I'll see you people later, okay?
Mad people everywhere.
This my friend. You don't
know is that
how.
why she came? No, this is why she.
You don't
blame her.
Oh,
I don't blame her at all. It's that food I called my husband. It's okay, it's well.
Yaga yo. Yaga yo. I said my finger must be free. I said my finger must be free. Yaga yo. Yaga yo. Oh.
Onyede. Emenike. Okay. Udo.
So you're coming from work?
Yes, now I'm coming. I mean, that is the only way I survive. Eh?
My brother, you are right. You are a hard-working young man. Nobody is disputing that fact. But don't forget, Timaya Golebu. I can't kill myself. Do you know the meaning? It's good to work, but don't overwork. Look at you now. You're a young man, but look, white beards everywhere. Do you think it's time? It's not natural. Stop doing like this. This is out of suffering. You are overworking. Secondly, if you break down or die, someone will take your wife. So slow down. Now, even the Bible, God rested you on the 7th day. You are always working. It's too much.
Emenike, madam, being a mother advice now. I mean, why will you remind me that if I overlevel myself and kill myself, somebody will take over my wife? Is that your plan? Oh, no, wait. So your plan is to kill me and take over my wife? No, kill me first. Kill me. Am I the only one that have a beautiful wife in this village? Kill me and take over her.
My brother, Onida like his joke. I'm not after your wife. I'm not even Juma Jadweme. I'm just advising you as a brother. You are too young for this stress. Huh? Only you will glide the farm. Only you will tap the well. Only you will break firewood. Hello, even something safe. They will take your wife if you die, and you will be in your grave crying. So slow down. It's just an advice. If you don't like it, why am I even advising you?
Emenike. What if I sell now? We don't have any issues, so I don't want us to have any. Please stop giving me this type of advice. I'm not a lazy man.
Okay, no problem. Come on, do walk the whole walk.
Emenike,
that is the problem. Relax, you are not something.
I dey use the format, I dey use the format. I say, guy man, I know the format, I know the format, When others they suffer, my own is just to bubble, Cause I know the format, I be graduate, no be busy, no be mouth,
Oh my God, Peter! Peter! Who brought out my bag? Who brought it out?
Angela, I did.
Why?
I did. Oh, Mubutalia.
Why? These are my new clothes. Why are they outside?
These are your new clothes. Why are they outside? Angela, so this is what you did with the money I gave you to keep for me. Even this one you're wearing, it's a new one. Angela, you're using my money to do slay queen. Angela, eh? Hey! Oh!
What is your problem? Everywhere I go, people have been admiring me. So why is your own different? What is going on? No. Why are you bitter? Are you jealous? Are you not jealousing your wife or something?
Me? Jealous of you? Angela, me jealous of you?
Why are you not admiring me? Why did you not notice it?
Okay, let me ask you. Have you forgotten how you were looking when I came to marry you? Let me remind you. You were looking like a toothpick. Aziza. Yeah, one of eh? Angela, this body that you have now, this shape, this uku and everything is my money. My hard-earned money. I got it from the farmland. You, this hair you have is my money. And you open your mouth to tell me that I'm jealous of you. Angela, Obilawaga, Angela. Now tell me, don't you have dresses before now? Why buying this one? Angela, can you go after? Hi.
Peter. Peter. You are shouting at me. No. You are shouting at me. Me, Angela. Because I'm in your house. No. You just finished insulting me now. Maka, I'm not in your house. No, because I'm in your house. You know what to do. First thing tomorrow morning, I promise you I'll pack my bag and go back to my father's house.
Obia, I have always been hearing that one. It's a national anthem now. Packing your bag and going to your parents. It's a national anthem in this house. Okay, He's not moving me again.
You will see how serious I am in this house.
Angela, do you know that this money that you just squandered, I wanted to use this money to open a business for you. Open a
business for yourself, not me. Did I beg you for a business? Did I tell you that I want to start any business? Oh, no. You think I came to your house to stress myself? No, you actually married me to stress me. To punish me. Just look at me. You don't like the way I'm looking. Peter, listen, I've been managing you. Like I see, yes, I've been managing. I've been enduring. I've been suffering and smiling with you. No problem. First thing tomorrow morning, I'm going back to my father's house.
Yaga yo, yaga yo, yaga yo, yaga yo. Madam, I give you money. Just
I found this bottle. Emily, I'm talking to you.
Yaga.
No.
Hello. What's up? What did you say?
Can't you see the empty bottle in my hand?
Empty bottle. And so?
I said I found it in our room.
Why do you like stressing yourself?
Emily. Welcome. Is this not the same bottle of the wine I talked about?
And so?
And so? You drank my wine and you have been denying it.
Papa, this is my problem with you. You came back here now and concluded that I drank your wine. How? Look at the person holding the empty bottle now. Why always me?
Huh?
Emenike.
Huh?
What do you mean by that? I don't understand. What did you just say?
No, don't misinterpret my point. It's not your fault. I'm just trying to explain to Papa that.
Save your explanation.
Emenike.
Ami.
Emenike, is that what you have to say?
But let me ask. Must you cause problem between my wife and I every now and then?
Is that what you have to say, Emenike? You must pay for this drink. You must pay for this drink.
Is that drawn evil forest? Why must you cause problem between me and my wife? Ami.
Emenike.
Ami.
Look at him. I got him now go over. Hey. Look at good drink my in-law gave to me. And I've been preserving it for a special day. Emenike must pay for this drink. You must pay. Your mate and husband, you are always with the come.
So far, my own is just to bubble, cause I know the format, to get the money, I dey use the format, I dey use the format. I say, guy man, I know the format, I know the format, when others they suffer, my own is just to bubble, cause I know the format, I know the format, I dey use the format, I dey use the format.
What is happening here? Angela, what are you celebrating? Is today your birthday?
What does it look like is happening? I'm eating now.
Only you. Watermelon, mineral, rice, banana.
Peter.
Only you.
Peter, you've come back now. You've come back now to look for my trouble. You should have remained where you went to. Why did you come back now that I'm eating? Why did you? Who sent you? Asked you to come home now. Leave me alone. Let me enjoy my food, though.
No problem now. Is it not our house?
Enjoy. Okay, you go.
Enjoy what? What are you doing?
Why are you pushing me? Let me join you and.
What are you doing? Are you mad?
Can I not eat with you?
What is it?
Are you not my wife?
Can't I eat you please in this house? Who is a wife? Listen, this is the only food remaining in this house, and I must finish it. Biko, go inside and sleep.
This is the only food in this house, and you don't want me to join you. For what now?
I cannot come and kill myself. When others they suffer, my own is just to bubble. Cause I know the format, to get the money. I dey use the format, I dey use the format. I say, guy man, I know the format.
What are you trying to do?
Let me cut small rice now. There's no.
Respect yourself. What are you trying to do?
Let me cut small food now.
Cut what? Did I not tell you that this is the only food remaining in this house? And I have to eat it because I'm very, very hungry.
See, Angela, you cannot be this mean to your husband now. What is this now?
I don't have a husband now.
See, Angela, this thing you are doing is not fair. I mean, this thing you are squandering is my money now. Am I not the one that is hustling for this money? Am I not the one?
You are mad. I can see they've sent you. But tell them that you
Angela.
I know the format, I dey use the format, I dey use the format. I say, guy man, I know the format, I know the format. When others they suffer, my own is just to bubble. Cause I know the format, I know the format. I be graduate, no be busy, no be mouth, I get interview for a walk, oh, when I talk of sugar, I don't want to dey suffer, cause I get the format, to get the money, I dey use the format, I dey use the format, I say, guy man, I know the format,
I said, don't touch me.
What happened?
I'm still angry with you. So don't come close to me, don't.
Oh, come on. Don't tell me you're still angry with me.
I am no longer your manager. Please.
Omi. 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 Omi, abagi ni esi onwo ai. Omi. Papa, good morning. I want to have a word with you. You want to have a word with me? Yes, I want to have a word with you. Papa, I'm not in the mood. I said I want to have a word with you. Tell me you are not in the mood. When will you? What are, sit there, let me talk to you. Is it by force? By force. At this age. Papa, I am not in the mood to talk. I'm going to have to get away. Omi. Omi. What kind of a son is this that cannot have a private talk with his father? All the time, my wife. I'll give Bumbuno Balwine. I'll give Bumbuno Balwine. You're my guy, get Kulusino. You're my guy, get Kulusino. Inside your government, get a comb. Oh, I can't see my. Oh, Kulusino. Come back here.
I dey use the format, I dey use the format. I say, guy man, I know the format,
Otutu kombu, we dey kombu. Kevi kombuta. One Kulusino. Get Kulusino.
Cause I know the format, I know the format, I dey use the format, I dey use the format. I say, guy man, I know the format, I know the format, when others they suffer, my own is just
I did one ball. Yes, sir.
Ha, Eminike, you and this your comb.
My brother, the packaging must continue. I cannot picture wife and dust.
I can imagine. The only sexy hygienist we have. The only beautiful man around. Look at your lips. Sexy man.
Hygienist.
Yes.
Illiteracy is a disease. And if you don't take time, hygienist, if you don't take time, this is your illiteracy, will land you into trouble.
What is the problem?
Listen, when you want to admire a man, use handsome. When you want to admire a lady, use sexy or beautiful. How can you be calling me a beautiful man?
I'm so sorry. It's just that you're looking sexy in my eyes. But it's okay. It's still of the spirit. It's okay. Sorry. All this praying and fasting has confused me. But at least you understood where I'm coming from. Abi? I was even thinking and planning of coming to your house.
What for?
That thing you talked about the other time. You didn't tell me anything now. Any update for me? Because my man.
That thing, eh?
Yes.
I have an idea. I have something that will help you.
Hey! You leave Combine and tell me what it is, please.
No, my brother. No matter what, the packaging must continue.
I know now.
How can I put your wife at us?
So tell me.
I will tell you on one condition.
Anything, I will do it.
You know, nothing goes for nothing.
Yes.
We will go to Gold's place. You buy me a cup of palm wine. A cup of palm wine so that I will be relaxed while talking.
Okay. If that's the case, no problem. I will do it.
You do it.
I'll do it. Let's
Hygiene is my man.
Eminike, God bless you.
Hygiene is
God
my
bless
man.
you, my brother. God bless you.
They wash me. You know that this is your God. Even if I wash.
Body no be firewood though. I cannot come and kill myself. When others they suffer, my own is just to bubble. Cause I know the format to get the money. I dey use the format I dey use the format.
Peter!
Man, I know the format
Peter! So Peter has the mind to leave this house without giving me feeding money. So Peter can actually leave without giving me feeding money. Peter is very heartless and mean. Wickedly wicked. You go and come and meet me. You want me to die of hunger, okay? It will never happen. I, Angela, would never let that happen. Never! Peter! When you finish going out, you come and meet me. Useless man.
Emenike, the only action man we have in this village. The man that has all the medicine to all the women in Emenike, I hail you.
My brother.
Personally.
You can call me special advisor on women affairs.
Hi.
You can call me women mechanic. You can call me women stabilizer. I stabilize women.
Takabali. I am high in my spirit. In fact, I am angry in my spirit. Because of this thing you just said. You know, I'm a very spiritual person. Because it is the spiritual that controls the physical. I will shock you. Hold on. Madam Gold. Madam Gold. Bring more palm wine. Pakaliblo. Bring one extra palm wine. Yes. I said I'm angry in the spirit. Because the Bible says the kingdom of God suffer violence and the violent take it by force. So I'm taking this one now by force.
Huh?
I'm telling you.
We should drink.
I'm high in my spirit.
Ha!
Bring more drinks.
Gold.
Hey Menike, who is paying for all these drinks?
It is me. It is me that is paying. I will pay.
Oga Hygienist.
Yes.
This one you're here today. Oh, your Bible is here.
Yes.
I thought you were born again.
I am still a born again. Drinking and holding your Bible is not a problem. I'm still a spiritual man. I will win souls for God. And that's why I have my Bible here. But for now, I want to discuss business with my friend and lead him to Christ.
Gold, you talk too much. Do you want him to change his mind? The man of God is in flesh now. When he is in spirit, he can do the things of the Lord. Now he is in flesh. Let's do the things of the world. Go and bring drink.
Bring more drink.
Church Abasa. Church Abasa kwa n'oge.
Your ways for Basa. If rain falls, they will Basa.
But if I hear Kama for Bele, we have problem.
I say Kabale.
Don't Kabele here. I've told you. Once we are like this, keep this one a format one side.
But this is not format.
Now format now. I mean, one use Bible wash. All these your rabbi can say spirit or violent. We all na guy man. I go area we be. So if me and you there like this, carry this format, keep one corner, make original smell. If you finish, if you go there, wash them with your format.
You won't understand, but please, can we just tell me the main thing, please?
Thank you. Good. All your problems are behind you. Look, let me advise you now. Look at what you will do. Once you get home, first and foremost, give your wife head. Once you head her, she will not argue whatever you say. Secondly, tell her you need 20,000 naira. That someone is taking you to China and promise you to bring 20,000 naira for your passport. Others are free. She will pay.
I don't understand. I don't understand what you are saying. How will I explain to my wife that I'm going to China?
You don't have to explain. No. You call yourself man of God, but you don't have faith. What are you explaining? Are you not the man of the house? Baby, something came up. A friend of mine said he's taking me to China, but I need to bring 20,000 naira for my passport. He will sponsor the rest. But before then, give her head though.
That's why I'm missing it now. Because explain to her now, I understand. But must I enjoy her first before I explain? You see, like, give her head. If I not her teeth now, if I head that teeth now, blood begin to come out. Why would she now give me the money from go to hospital? I cannot head her.
You're a dummy. When I say head, no, go kill your wife. I'm talking about normal head. It's a fella now. You do sound like a fella.
Wait, are you saying I should?
Your wife now. Wash everywhere. That's first thing first. Once you give her head, She will relax. Whatever you see at that moment is beautiful. Equate the format, traveling to China. 20,000 for passport. She will pay that one. With that one, we are okay for the week now. Before the week runs out, I will give you another format. Format not the finish. It is only for Bible on a format today.
Is it on my tongue? Like,
as in whatever fellas are there. Head now.
From your house, of course.
From my house. Hey, good. Must you go to my house? Must you go to my house? You want to scatter my home? Hope you did not tell my wife what's up.
I met your wife.
What did you tell my wife?
Emenike, why won't I go to your house when you sneaked out like a rat that you are? Because of you, I left people in my shop.
Nah, Gold, do you know your problem? In a song, I did not run. I went to Hajinu's house to collect money.